everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a video using Wan 2.2 AI. It's quick, simple, and super fun. It's perfect if you want to turn your ideas into AI generated video. First, just open Wan 2.2 like this. And then if this is your first time, just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, you will land on the main dashboard like this. And don't worry for the credits. Wan 2.2 AI will give you a weekly credits like this. And on this dashboard, just click on video or AI video, and then choose the methods that you want to use. In this tutorial, I will just use image to video. And next, just upload the image that you want to use by just tap on this picture button and then choose upload. And then just write your prompt. This will tell the AI how the video should look or feel. For example, you can describe the style, movement, or atmosphere. And in this tutorial, I will just type my prompt like this. Like this, and then just set the additional settings. Just tap on this icon and then just choose your model that you want, and then choose your resolutions, and then you can choose generate with credits or without credits, and then you can also turn off the inspirations mode, and then you can also turn off the sounds effects. And when everything looks good, just click on generate this one, and then just wait for the process. And okay, like this, in a few moments your video will be ready like this. You can preview it. Let's try to play the video. Okay, like this. And when you happy with the result, just download it and use it right away for your projects. And okay, that's it. You have just created your first video using Wan 2.2 AI. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.